Today we're going to be looking at how to compare fractions. Specifically, we're going to answer the question, which is bigger, 5/8 or 3/5? In order for us to properly compare these fractions, as we can see up top highlighted in yellow, the first thing that we need to do is we need to rewrite these fractions with common denominators. Now, there's many different ways of finding common denominators, but for the purposes of this video, we're going to multiply our denominators to find a common denominator. When we multiply 8 times 5, we get 40, so we're going to rewrite these fractions with a common denominator of 40. Now, we need to make sure that we keep these fractions equivalent, and to do this, we need to make sure that we multiply our numerator up top by the same value that we had to multiply our denominator by to get the common denominator of 40. Well, for our first fraction, we had to multiply our denominator of 8 times 5 to get the common denominator of 40, so we're going to do the same thing to our numerator up top. And when we multiply 5 times 5, we get 25. Now for our second fraction, we had to multiply the denominator of 5 times 8 to get the denominator of 40, so we're going to do the same thing to our numerator up top. When we multiply 3 times 8, we get 24. So now that we've rewritten both of our fractions, we can compare them by comparing the values of our numerators. Obviously, we can see here that 25 is greater than 24, so the fraction of 5/8 is greater than the fraction of 3/5. So hopefully by now you understand how to compare fractions. Help make math less complicated by smashing those like and subscribe buttons. As always, enjoy today's math journey.